Hello everybody, Flux here, and today I'll show you how you can make your avatar more expressive even though it does not have face tracking blend shapes, so let's hop right into it. So these boxes here are going to be our example, with blue being mouth open, red being angry, yellow being smile, and then the white one here is going to change its color based on which one it should be. So first things first, here we have the active states of the individual boxes and the color of the final box that's now at the bottom here. Then we add an avatar expression driver, 1, 2, 3 expressions. One of them is going to be smile, angry, and the final one is going to be jaw open. Then we add 3 floating point fields, and with these 3 values we can then do whatever we want in code. So first we'll check if each of these values is higher than 0.5. And then we'll want to check if either of them is true, but we'll use an index of first match for this. We'll hook all of them into the index of first match, and then set the match to true, and this will now output the index of the first one of these that is in fact true. This number will now change up based on whether I have my mouth open, am smiling, or look angry. But if I'm doing more than one of those things at the same time, whichever one is plugged in the highest will win. Next, we'll actually hook up the individual boxes so that they can enable. And now, depending on if I'm smiling or if I have my mouth open or I'm looking angry, different boxes will enable. Now, the final thing we need is a multiplexer of type color X that we can hook up the index to, and just setting up the individual colors. And now we're done. The same concept can be applied to pretty much anything else you want to control with your face. But yeah, if you like this, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!